Hello, welcome back to AJM Learn. Today, going to show you how to display different metadata on blog pages within your site. So, for example, if you have multiple blog pages, I just have one, but if I added a blog page, no matter how you're using it, any blog style page on your site, the settings here, if you go into edit, of course it won't load, edit section, the primary meta content and the secondary meta content is going to be the same on every blog page. And I find that kind of annoying because sometimes I want to show category on one, date on one, depending on how you're using them. I use these for like project pages for clients, things like that. So let's get into it. Remember, we post weekly videos, so subscribe if you like them. All right, so essentially what you're doing here with CSS is you're telling it to hide the one you don't want. So let's pretend on this blog, I have the author showing and I have the date showing. But let's pretend on this blog, I have both of them on because the other blog on my site, for example, I want the author showing. But on this blog, I only want the date showing. So how do we get rid of the author? Let me copy this over from the post. It's also in the video description. So you do need to find the section ID because that's what's going to tell it this page only, hide this. So essentially what I'm doing is saying the author of the blog, don't display it on this page. So I use the Squarespace ID finder. All that info is in the post if you need help finding your section ID. So paste the section ID in and you can see it removes it. But we still have this little symbol here. Delimiter. I don't know how I don't know what this is. I don't know how you pronounce these, but this is what it's called. So same thing, grab the section ID. And this is just saying get rid of that little like dot and space in between so that it doesn't look awkward. So cool. We only have the date. And I've put all of the selectors in for this. So for example, here, if I wanted to not show the date, I could do that. So just simply changing that selector. And then just to show you guys, let's say that I have author and categories and date. So same thing, if I wanted to show the date and hide the categories, this is all in the post. Obviously it needs to reload to show the date, but you get the point. Remember, always refresh if it's not doing what you want it to do. Okay, hope that's helpful. Yeah, enjoy.